Okay, classmates, this is my phonetics transcription. Good morning. My name is Fernando Padilla. How is my leave? I am a teacher. I have busy schedule from Monday to Friday. I get up to 5:30. At 6, I take a shower and get ready for work. I usually have breakfast and leave home. I go to my work in my motorcycle. I get to work at 7:30 and prepare my class for the day. At 10:30, my students and me go out at the break for 30 minutes. So at 11 o'clock, continue them with the class. At 1:30, I go back home. At 2 o'clock, I have lunch with my wife. In the afternoons, I work on my next classes. When I do exercise, on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I always go to play soccer at 6 p.m. with some friends. At 7:30, I go back home. My wife makes dinner, and then I take a shower after that. We watch TV before I go to bed. This is normally my weekdays. On weekends, Saturdays, and Sundays, I usually get up at 9 a.m. Sometimes my family and me go out to eat. When the days are sunny, I usually look for a place for swim. How is your week? Okay, students, thank you very much.